Welcome to Enagia Limited Flow Station. This documentary is designed to familiarize you with the health, safety, security, and environmental issues in Enagia Flow Station / Base Camp. It is important, therefore, that you pay attention. The corporate QHSES policy of Enagia are 1. The safety, health, and security of employees, contractors' employees, and members of the public who may be involved in its operations are safeguarded or preserved. This will be pursued vigorously by no harm to people. 2. Reduce impact of our operations on the environment by protecting the environment through the usage of material and energy efficiently by promoting best practices. 3. Be sensitive to the concerns of the host communities. The flow station consists of a wellhead, inlet manifold, HP separator, LP separator, temporary crude oil storage tanks, export pumps, saver pits, production control panel, instrument air package, air compressors, generator sets, knockout vessel, hydrants with water borehole and flare, and these areas are hazardous areas. Our primary business in the flow stations is to receive crude oil from the wellheads and separate oil from gas. The oil is exported to the GGF through a pipeline, then to Ajib in Okpai, while the gas is used for gas lift of oil wells and export to local dealers as LPGs after processing. Access control. On arrival, you are expected to register your details in the access control register. A tagging system is in place to ensure proper personnel accounting in the event of an emergency. You will require an approved entry permit to access the plant. Once inside the plant, please restrict yourself to activities covered in your permit. Healthcare facilities. An outpatient clinic is located within Kwale, while first aid treatment is administered within the flow station by a first aider. This facility provides emergency and first aid treatment services for persons on official business. Contractors provide retainer clinics for their personnel. For medical emergency, please call any of the numbers now showing on your screen. Recreational facilities are provided to ensure the physical fitness of the workforce. The use of illegal drugs and alcohol is prohibited. Safety. The minimum PPE required for use in the flow station are hard hats, fire retardant coverall, safety shoes, and eye goggles, and depending on the nature of work, other PPEs may be required. Hearing protection must be worn in high noise areas as indicated in the noise map for each facility. An alarm condition can be initiated by using the pressing bell of the nearest alarm trigger point. This alarm signal implies an emergency or drill scenario. On hearing the alarm, you are required to move to the muster points using the nearest emergency exits. The main muster point is located close to the access gate. Please contact the station attendant for further details. In case of fire, raise alarm by shouting, "Fire! Fire! Fire!" Then press the nearest alarm call trigger point or call any of the numbers now showing on your screen. Alert the control room and fight the fire with the nearest portable fire extinguisher if it is safe to do so. Do not endanger your person in that process. Please withdraw if fire seems to be escalating. Move to the muster point from where you will receive further instructions. Smoking and other unauthorized ignition sources are not allowed in the facilities unless at designated smoking areas where available. In order to minimize the risk posed by reduction in visibility, night driving on company's business is prohibited except through management approval. A permit-to-work system has been designed to prevent accidents through effective hazard management and communication when non-routine or potentially hazardous work is to be carried out. These must be obeyed. Remember to conduct gas tests when required. Confirm isolation before commencing any activity. Obtain authorization before entry into a confined space. Protect yourself when working at heights. Do not work or walk under suspended loads. And the use of illegal drugs and alcohol is highly prohibited within Enagia facilities. Unauthorized photography and GSM is not allowed in the facilities. Spark ignition petrol engines are not allowed into the process zone. Vehicles must be pre-mobbed and authorized before access is granted. The speed limit within the facilities is 20 km per hour. Seatbelts must be worn and the use of GSM while driving is highly prohibited. Use of GSM while driving is not allowed. Seatbelts must be fastened at all times when vehicle is in motion. Discuss and make use of journey management plan with all passengers before embarking on the journey. Report all incidents, near misses, unsafe acts and conditions to the HSE team in HSE office at the flow station.
And who can save you?
Environmental management. An HSE management system is in place to ensure that activities are carried out in an environmentally responsible manner, in line with regulatory requirements and Enagia policies. Effective waste management form an integral part of the Enagia field operations. Wastes are segregated into color-coded bins. Please make use of appropriate bins for your waste. Report all oil or chemical spills to the station guards for immediate attention. We care for the environment.
Who can say why your eyes when you love only?
Security. 3 short intermittent siren alarms indicate a security emergency. On hearing the security alarm, you are required to avoid all windows and lie low. Turn off all lights if at night. Secure your doors and remain calm while awaiting further instructions. The regular fire siren alarm indicates an all-clear signal, in which case you are expected to proceed to the muster point. For security emergency, please dial any of the numbers now showing on your screen. You are reminded to comply at all times with the Enagia policies, as they are aimed at preventing harm to people. Failure to comply will result in appropriate consequence management. We are determined to save lives. For further inquiries, please contact the HSE team on 0803 710 8914. Number once again, 0803 710 8914. We wish you a pleasant and safe stay with us. You are welcome.